Hello and welcome to another LinkedIn tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change the LinkedIn feed in chronological order. If you want to see the most recent posts first, this video is for you. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. We're going to click on our profile image and we're going to go to settings and privacy. Once we are here, we're going to select account preferences. Then we are going to scroll a little bit down and we are going to find the option that says preferred feed view. We're going to click on this option and simply we're going to change from most relevant posts to most recent posts. That's how you can change your LinkedIn feed to show everything in chronological order. That's it. From your profile image, you can go to settings, account preferences, prefer feed view, and you can change this setting from your mobile device as well. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.